How you guys doing? My name is Eric Kinestroza, and I'm going to tell you why animals should be banned from performing in circuses, and how it is harmful for not only us, but for the animals. I want to tell you a quick story on Tyke the elephant, the rebellious elephant, who revolted during her circus performance on August 20th, 1994, which resulted in her killing her trainer and injuring her assistant. Tyke later on roamed the streets of Hawaii for about 25 minutes before being gunned down 86 times before falling to the floor and dying. Tyke wanted to revolt and escape the abuse she was experienced prior in 1993 and wanted to escape and revolt. This is Tyke moments before she passed. As you can see, she still has on a circus attire which she was forced to wear, which also gave her blood clots in her feet. These animals experience abuse behind the scenes. They are tortured with bull hooks, which is a disciplinary weapon, which is used if they do not act right, they become aggressive, or do not perform a certain trick or stunt. They are also chained for large amounts of the day. They can be chained for about 23 hours of the day without being able to move, turn around, or even lay down. They are also transportation abuse. They are in hot box carts for about 100 hours without the ability to have food or water, and being tightly together without the ability to lay down. These animals also experience mental and physical challenges. A mental challenge will be taken from their mother. Females in the wild tend to stay with their mothers for their whole lives, but in the circus it's different, and it should not be allowed. In the circus, they are separated at a baby. At a very young age, they are separated from their mother without the ability to learn things from their mother and to adapt to the environment. So which results in them losing their minds, screaming for their mother until they actually have brain problems and brain injuries from the excessive amount of screaming. They also experience physical challenges, which is arthritis. Elephants tend to experience arthritis in the circus due to standing up for large amounts of time, chained. They can stand up for almost 23 hours of the day without the ability to lay down, which puts a lot of pressure on their feet, which can result in arthritis. These mammals also have disease. They can transmit tuberculosis to us, the audience, and to many other animals in the circus. It is very harmful for the children who are at risk the most for this disease. Now you're wondering, is this fight worth fighting for? And I say it is. You may know the circus and what it brings, and you may have brought your children or went there yourself. Ringling Bros is the biggest circus, or was the biggest circus in the U.S., has now shut down due to lack of ticket sales and due to animal rights laws they violated from animal health and animal habitat. And also, France has just announced that they ban on wild animals in circuses, which is a big win, since France has the most circuses in any other country that uses elephants in their acts and stunts. Thank you for your time, and I hope you realize that these animals are not toys and not used for entertainment. They belong in their natural environment where they belong. I hope you educate and teach your kids what's right and what should be done. Thank you for your time.